It's that girl we saw when we first entered the ship.
Old lad, this is...
There.
Oh man, this shade is nuts! You can feel her power hanging in the air, and she ain't even... Things are fine.
Could this girl be the presence you sensed, Kaine?
Oh, hey.
Wait, you're the postman.
Oh, I've been coming here. I think this girl was on the ship when it drifted. I've been keeping an eye on her until she's well enough. Hey, so... the girl... I brought a bunch of well, how exactly does one deal... Sorry. Clearly...
Stay the hell away from her! She isn't...
Kaine!
We'll figure something out. You just find...
The two of them will be fine. The ship is collapsing. We're
very much aware of that, thanks. Shakes! They're in the way! Looks like we can get out through that hole up there. Glad you two made it out in one piece.
Yeah, we're good.
We'd better go help him out.
No shade would dare. We should use the... What on earth?
Isn't this shade being hurt by the sun?
That is not precisely the case. It most certainly is being burned by the sunlight. However, its regenerative abilities far outpace whatever damage the light is able to inflict. This light, something is coming. Get out of the way at once!
Oh, listen, it's singing. This thing actually thinks it's a person. I don't know where the singing lessons came from, but I do know it's sure as hell trying to eat us.
Aim for the tentacles with faces on them.
Don't stop now. Focus on the next one.
You're doing it for him? How sad. How precious.
Now is our chance. Attack with all that you have.
Did we get it? Oh, hell. That thing's huge.
To think it could recover from such a grievous wound.
Ordinary attacks aren't gonna do shit against this thing.
Hey, the guy from before's collapsed on the beach. That shade's got some kind of hard-on for it. We should take him hostage.
Shut your yap. I'm not in the business of using my blades on people.
Is this thing turning its body into spears and shooting them at us?
Fine then. I guess we'll all just sit around a campfire and sing songs until we get murdered.
God damn it!
The number of spears flying our way is increasing.
Yeah, I can see that. Damn it.
My word, if this continues...
Hey, over here! This guy's important to you, isn't he?
This is here and now. Son of a... Is this thing immortal?
How can it withstand such an onslaught?
I'm really scared, guys!
We will be in grave danger if it unleashes that attack. We must stop it.
I think we're in trouble.
What the hell are you doing? Stop him already!
My body won't... Damn it! Fuck!
Stop! No!
are you doing? You're gonna get yourself killed!
Stop! Don't hurt these people! So you've been lying to me this whole time? You're a monster!
It stopped?
Focus on the source of its magic. Aim for the head.
We can never be together! You disgust me!
Thanks.
You've all done so much for me. I don't have the words to it. We all knew townspeople were out there but I never imagined I was taking—
The fault lies with that foul creature alone.
Alright, well, there's someone else we need to break this news to.
Fair enough.
Hey, did you...
Yeah.
Wait, why are you... Is he alright? Come on.
Your husband, left.
Does that mean... Is it because we were always fighting? Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. I actually loved fighting with him, you know? It was the only time I felt like we were It made me so happy in this weird way. I guess it was only me who felt that way, huh?
It saddens this old tome to think we'll never... Do not let it burden you so loud.